I love him.
What's his name?
Spike.
This is Spike.
Spike has forged 2 slayers in the last century.
Miss Summers, if you and your boyfriend would like to...
He's not... not my boyfriend. Every time I have a boyfriend...
Aha! Boyfriend.
I'd squeeze you until you popped like warm champagne and you begged me to hurt you just a little bit more.
Seeing you every day, everywhere I go, every time I turn around.
You're jealous.
Don't play games.
Maybe he's not the jealous one.
You know you want to dance. I'm afraid I'm hot for you, honey.
Because you are.
You're that close to it and not that, but feeling it beneath you.
Then what happened to my blue cashmere sweater?
You love him? Do you love her? Spike's completely in love with you.
I love you. There's something between us.
Loathing. Disgust.
Heat. Desire. And all I bloody think about. In my gut. My throat. I'm drowning in you, Summers. I'm drowning in you.
What makes you think you will ever be any good at all in this world?
She does. She will come for me. The Slayer is going to kick your skanky, lopsided ass.
Buffy!
Slayer's gonna be alright, isn't she?
You brought her back and you didn't tell me.
Me, you.
It's you and it's me, and we'll get through this.
It was a mistake.
It was a bloody revelation. Great love is wild and passionate and dangerous. It burns.
I can't love you. You know why.
Because you love me.
Love is pain, and the Slayer forges strength from pain.
He is in my heart. Tell me you love me.
I love you.
You're gonna crave me.
I'm insane. You're insane.
There's a connection. You rely on him, he relies on you.
Well, you're not staying here.
I understand.
Clearly you don't, because the whole having the pride thing was just a smokescreen.
Oh, thank God.
I don't know what it would have done if it had gone up to stay.